Hello guys, welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. Today we are going to learn if, elif, else statement. So let's begin. In the previous video, we discussed about the how to write the conditional statement using the if else conditional statement. Okay. Today we will discuss about the how to write the if, elif and else statement. For example, in the previous video, we discussed about the if student get the some marks, how we can evaluate that. If student has the greater than 35 marks, he is passed. Otherwise, he is failed. Here, we just check the one condition. If student has the, if we want to check the multiple conditions, for example, student can get 35 marks or more than 35 marks, less than 60 marks, more than 60 marks. So when we learn in the academic year, right, we will have some standard. If student get the 35 marks, below 60, then he is passed with the second class, right? If student get more than or equal to 60 marks, he is passed with first class, right? If student get 75 or above the 75, student passed with distinction, right? So in this case, we have to evaluate the multiple conditions, right? So how we can deal these conditions in the shell script? You will get so multiple conditions while working in your actual environment. So this example will help you to evaluate the multiple conditions. Let's see. First, we will see the syntax of if, elif, and else. Okay. Syntax: if your expression then if you want to check another condition, you can use the elif, then second expression, then if you want to check another one condition, you can use the here another one expression, and so on. You can check n number of expressions here. Then here you can use the else. Then you can use the close statement for the if condition. Okay, so this is the syntax of the if, elif, and else. So let's see how we can write the shell script for above scenario. So here I will write the shell script for it. Okay, so first of all I will copy the standards first. If, elif, else statement. So today is the date. Date is the 25. So here you can write your date. What is the modification date? Now I will get the 75 marks, means distinctions. Okay, so how we can evaluate multiple conditions here? Let's see. First we will check the if. First expression is the dollar marks is equal to, we will check our student has the greater than 35. First we will check he is passed or not. Then inside the if we will check second condition. If, again we will check the condition here, dollar marks greater than 75, greater than or equal to 75. Then he is passed with the distinction, echo passed with distinction. Okay, elif, we will check the next condition here, dollar marks greater than, if marks is greater than 60, then print the passed with first class. Elif dollar marks, we will check the next condition here, dollar marks greater than and equal to 35. Then echo print the passed with second class. Now here this condition is closed, so here I will write fi. For close the if condition you can use the fi. Here else echo, otherwise he failed, right? If he is not get the more than 35 marks, he is failed. Then close the main if condition. So in this way, we can evaluate the multiple conditions. Right here, let's understand first. First, it will check the student has the greater than 35 marks or not. Then it will go inside the block. So first it will check this condition. He has the more than 35 marks, right? 75 marks means he has the more than 35 marks. Then it will go inside the this condition and it will check is he has the more than and equal to 75 marks. Yes, he has. Then it will print the passed with the distinction. For example, if student has the 65 marks, then is he has the more than and equal to 75? No, right? Then it will check the condition. Then it will check it if the student has the more than and equal to 60. Yes, it's match. Then passed with the first class. If student has the 45 marks, then it will check the first is he has the more than 35. Yes, then it will go into the in this block and it will check the second condition is he has the more than 75. No, then it will go to the third condition. Then third condition is match. No, right? Then it will go to the next condition. Then he has the more than 35 marks. Then it will print the passed with the second class. If he has the 35 34 marks, first it will check the this condition. It is not match, right? He is not having the greater than or equal to 35 marks. Then it's directly come into the else statement and print the failed. So in this way you can evaluate the multiple conditions. Let's see it will work or not. Copy this, copy the complete script, open the terminal, create the one file vi, if elif else .sh, paste it, give the permission, execute permission chmod +x if elif. Okay, I had given the execute permission. Now it execute with the failed because I had mentioned there 34 marks, right? So now I will modify the file. "44 marks, for example. Passed with the second class because this condition will match here. Okay, now I will give the more than 60. So let's check. Passed with the first class. So now I will give the more than 75. Passed with the distinction. In this way, you can check the multiple conditions. So this will help you whenever you wanted to check the multiple conditions and evaluate that. So there you will get the help of the if, elif, else statement. So whenever you want to write these conditions, you want to use to evaluate multiple conditions, you can use the if, elif, else statement. So that's it from my end today. If you like my video, please like, comment my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.